was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room.
Testosterone is the primary sex hormone in males. It is a steroid hormone, which has androgenic effects on the body. Testosterone is secreted by the leading cells in the male testes. The precursor molecule for testosterone synthesis is cholesterol. Testosterone has several important functions in the body. These include development and enlargement of male sexual organs, development of secondary sexual characteristics in males, increased muscle and bone mass, thickening of skin, regulation of sex drive, and red blood cell production. As a person ages, the secretion of testosterone is reduced, giving rise to features of male hypogonadism, including reduced sex drive, erectile dysfunction, loss of muscle strength, osteoporosis, mild anemia, and gynecomastia, or abnormal development of breasts in males. So in this video, I give you 6 important tips to boost your testosterone levels naturally. 1. Exercise and lift weights. Exercising is one of the best ways to prevent and control many lifestyle-related diseases. Research has found that exercising and lifting weight are associated with an increased level of testosterone hormone in blood. Resistance training, such as weightlifting, is the best method to boost testosterone levels. However, other types of exercises, such as long-term high-intensity interval training, can also be much effective in boosting testosterone. Number 2, boosting foods. Other than cholesterol, 2 most important nutrients for testosterone synthesis are vitamin D and zinc. Research has found that eating foods containing these nutrients is associated with increased testosterone levels. Some of these foods include fatty fish like salmon, low-fat milk, egg yolks, oysters and shellfish, fortified cereals, beef and beans. Number 3, fats and carbs. Diet has a major effect on your testosterone levels. Therefore, you should pay attention to your long-term calorie intake because constant dieting or overeating may alter the testosterone levels in the body. So, taking a diet based mainly on whole foods is optimal with a healthy balance of fat, protein, and carbohydrates. Number 4, minimize stress. Long-term stress is associated with elevated cortisol levels in blood. Abnormally high cortisol levels can significantly reduce the levels of testosterone in blood. High cortisol levels also increase food intake, weight gain, and accumulation of body fat around organs, which further decline the testosterone levels. Moreover, high cortisol levels are also associated with increased breakdown of muscle proteins, which reduces the muscle bulk and strength. Number 5, get enough sleep. Getting good sleep is important not only for your testosterone levels, but also for overall good health. Studies show that sleeping less than the optimal amount of time is associated with reduced testosterone levels. They also indicate that around 7 to 10 hours of sleep every night is optimal for your testosterone levels. Number 6, sun exposure. As already mentioned, vitamin D for the synthesis of testosterone hormone. Regular exposure to sunlight increases the synthesis of vitamin D in the skin. In addition, sun exposure also boosts mood and improves the quality of sleep as well.